2018 Dodge Challenger RT 5.7 HEMI. What we got done on it? Factory converter. Factory converter comes together into an X pipe. Then what we did is put 3-inch pipe. Comes with 3-inch pipe, and we added 3-inch pipe. We did a mid-muffler delete and a valve delete. And what we do now is we're gonna start welding them to the side like that, so the car thinks that they're still there and they're working, because they were rattling real bad. So we just put them to the side so it opens and closes like the car thinks it's still there. And then it's a 2.5-inch pipe out the back on each side, and then factory rear resonators there and there, and factory tips out the back there and there. As you guys can see, the mufflers are over there. He's bringing them now. That's what the mufflers look like, and that's what the valves look like. They come with a hanger, so you have to add a new hanger in their place right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. That's it. Much better. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, you're old. Come on, man. That is so funny. Your sound decibels? 115. That's it. I like it. That's it, right? That ain't loud enough. That ain't loud enough. I think it needs to be louder, don't you? Yep. I can. We can always make it louder. Enjoy it for a week or so and then come back. If you want it louder, let me know. Valve delete 2 or mid-muffler? Sounds good. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Challenger 5.7 HEMI RT black. Nice, I like the black on it. It looked in the shade really nice. Mid-muffler and valve delete. Still got the resonators. Oh yeah! Heavy! Slow! Oh, it sounds so good. Enjoy, guys.